I never thought this day would come. I never thought I would find a VR headset that could potentially replace my well-loved Valve Index. But I think that day has finally come. A couple of years ago, I was invited to have a meeting with the CEO of BIGSCREEN VR about a new PC VR headset. BIGSCREEN are the creators of a movie watching app for VR, so I was kind of confused why they wanted to talk to me about hardware. In the meeting, Deshaun told me that he was pretty frustrated with the state of VR and also badly wanted a different type of headset. They wanted something ultra light with ultra high resolution that would be comfortable to wear, especially for long duration. So they built it. They showed me mock-ups and concepts of all these amazing things they wanted to achieve. And in the meeting, I of course was polite and enthusiastic and said, "Wow, that looks amazing." But secretly I was thinking, there's no way they're gonna pull this off. But luckily, I was wrong. This is the BIGSCREEN Beyond VR headset, and it's the smallest VR headset in the world. It boasts a 5120 by 2560 micro LED displays with pancake optics and up to a 90Hz refresh rate. And did I mention it's tiny? It weighs only 127 grams and is 24mm at its thinnest point. Whoa, wait. Before you get too excited, I do need to clarify that this is a PC VR headset. So you will need a VR-enabled PC, Steam VR base stations, and Steam-enabled controllers like the Valve Index Knuckles. Now that's all cleared up, time to get back to the sexy B-roll. Something unique about this headset is that it comes with a custom fixed IPD and a face cushion. So in purchasing, you download an app that does a 3D scan of your face, so they custom make a cushion that's designed to perfectly sit flat on your face. This means no light leakage and ultimate comfort. And with the fixed IPD, it's set to perfectly align with your eyes for stunning clarity. And in turn, this also helps to reduce the weight of the headset. It comes with a simple band for the head strap, which creates a really cool futuristic look. This is the first headset design I've seen that really feels like a true representation of future tech. I felt very cyberpunk using this headset and feel like this headset would be right at home in the Matrix universe. While this all sounded great, I needed to know a few important things. Firstly, does it work? Does it achieve all the things they set out to do? Secondly, is it comfortable? And thirdly, can it actually replace my Valve Index? I think it's time to jump in and see how it performs. Alright, today's the day that I use the headset for the very first time, and to be honest, I'm a little bit nervous. I've hyped up this headset in my head so much that I'm worried it won't live up to my expectations, but it's time to try it on. And that is light. I cannot see a single bit of light leakage. It is complete blackness right now. What the? This is trippy. And like comfort-wise, just this one band, like firstly, it looks great. Like just having one band, it's just like wearing a pair of glasses. All right, time to actually use it with a game now. Whoa. This looks good. After using the Valve Index for so long, it's just like, I'm so used to just like scuff graphics. Oh, this looks so crisp, man. Seriously can't get over how crisp this looks. So this is what the microphone sounds like, by the way. I'm really hoping it sounds good. I saw a test online and I'm very excited for it. So something I didn't realize is that it doesn't have headphones or speakers. So I don't know how I'm gonna manage that.
1 week later.
After using this headset for a few weeks, overall, I absolutely love this headset. But I did have a few challenges. Now let me be clear, the headset I've been using is a prototype. It is not the final version, so things can definitely change before the final product is released. So this is more my impressions of the prototype rather than a final review of the end product, so just keep that in mind. So first challenge was that my poor PC struggled to handle this headset. My PC specs are pretty good. I want a 3080 GPU, but graphically intensive games struggled a little bit for me due to the high resolution. And good luck trying to record it. I tried to record some saucy gameplay for you guys, but my PC was not having it. I did find by adjusting the Steam VR settings, like turning down the render resolution or turning off super sampling, tended to improve the performance a lot. But something to consider if you are looking to get this headset, that you want to make sure your PC can handle it. Secondly, having no inbuilt audio was a bit of a problem for me, but that's more of a personal gripe. You can easily use wireless headphones with this headset, but there is no audio jack. I tried using some AirPods AirPods, but I did have some latency issues, but I've seen other people using them, so I don't know if that was something up with my setup. And then tried using the speakers in my PC, which was fine, but it's way less immersive. I personally don't love using bulky headphones over a VR headset because it's just one more thing to worry about when taking it on and off again, and I just hate it. Again, totally just a personal preference, but I absolutely love that they will be selling an audio strap for this headset, and I will 100% be getting that, and I feel like it'll solve all my problems. And on the topic of audio, the microphone is really good. Like, really good. And as a content creator, this is a godsend. You've no idea how annoying it is to deal with external audio solutions when recording footage. So this is a great thing for content creators or anyone who plays a lot of multiplayer games. Some of the other issues I had involved my eyelashes. I have longish eyelashes, and I found that they touch the lenses on the headset, and if I was wearing mascara, it would like smudge on the lenses as well. So I contacted the BIGSCREEN VR team, and they said it's an easy fix, and they said they're gonna print me a new face cushion with extra thickness, which is really great that I have a solution for this problem. And the only other issue I had was when jumping around in Beat Saber a bit, the headset tended to slide down my head a bit. I have, I guess, pretty shiny hair, but they fixed that as well. Thanks to feedback from early testers, they will be now including a top strap with your orders, so that's really nice to have that option as well. I think it's really great that BIGSCREEN are really listening to community feedback and implementing these changes into the final product. They seem really eager to make a really good product that people are happy with, and it's so great to see a company be so open to feedback and really wanting to make a really great product. So these changes will be implemented in the final product that you would receive. And I think they have some other really great announcements that are coming soon as well. I did want to mention that you can also get prescription lenses for this headset. So when pre-ordering, you can enter your prescription and they'll send you out these little clip-on lenses that clip into the headset directly, which I think is really, really great. I used to wear glasses before I got LASIK, and dealing with glasses is a nightmare, so it's really great that they have this solution. Some other features I love is that the cable is removable. So what I do is I leave the cable mounted to my ceiling, and then I unclip the headset and pop it away on my bookshelf so it's out of the way and on display, and the cable's out of the way as well. So it's a nice little feature that I absolutely love. My index was usually just lying around on the floor because I never knew where to put it, so not the best. And there's a little clip on the back of the headset that you can run the cable through, which is adjustable as well, which gets the cable out of the way, and it's just a nice, lovely little touch that just makes the use of it just so much nicer. Some people may be disappointed with the 90-degree field of view or the 90 Hz refresh rate, and to be honest, I didn't notice it too much unless I was like looking for it. But coming from a Valve Index, just having the higher resolution is just mind-blowing enough that you kind of forget about all those other things. And generally, I ran my refresh rate pretty low anyway for better performance, so not something I noticed too much, but I know it is important to some people. So you need to weigh up the pros and cons if that's important to you, but personally, I think all the other benefits mainly weigh out those few cons. And to be honest, we can't have it all the time. But all in all, I absolutely love this headset, and I think I'll definitely be making it my everyday headset and replacing my Valve Index. I just need to work out those kinks of the audio and the eyelashes, but once that's sorted, it's a perfect VR headset, for me at least. The lenses look amazing, the resolution is insane, and the colors are so rich, and the comfort is insane. Like, I really don't think any other VR headset will be able to compete in terms of comfort. Like, the face cushion is designed for your face. I don't think anything's gonna beat that in terms of comfort. And it's just so light. With that combination, it just really adds to the comfort level. Like, I could wear it all day long. I think this headset is a serious game changer in the PC VR market, but it makes you think, if a small kind of indie company made this PC VR headset so tiny and so high spec, then what are the other companies doing? I think it's gonna probably give them a bit of a run for their money, but it does make you wonder. I've had a few people ask me if they should pre-order this headset or wait for the Valve Decard, and to be honest, it's hard to know. We don't really know what Valve's next VR headset will be, if there even is one. If you check out Sadly It's Bradley's data mine video on the Decard, we know that it could have eye tracking, it could be wireless, and it could have a variable refresh rate, but at this stage, we just don't know. There's nothing confirmed at all, I don't think. I personally think this is a really solid PC VR headset, and I think anyone would be happy owning it, even just for the comfort alone. If you are thinking of picking out one of these headsets or pre-ordered one already, please let me know in the comments. I've got a link for you down below if you want to read up more about it. And if you're interested about other PC VR headsets, watch my Vario Aero review right here. See you later!